Next point is a thread benefits. Okay, there is a number of benefits are available regarding a thread. First point is improve performance. When we just create a thread, that time our program or our particular task are execution properly and successfully, very speedily and very fastly. That is exactly a improve performance. Okay, now you know the very well what about a thread is nothing but just a simple part or particular part of a big programs. Okay, now second benefit is a concurrent operations. Means what exactly? Whenever we create a number of threads in a one particular programs, that time it's a possible that all threads are executed simultaneously or concurrently. That is exactly a concurrent operations. Now third one is a multiple thread improve performance. Okay, now when we create a number of threads in a big programs, that time the all threads are executed properly and successfully at a time or simultaneously. That time the particular program are executed successfully. That is exactly a improve performance through a multiple threads. Okay, now next benefit is minimize constant sequencing time. Okay, constant sequencing time I have already explained in my previous videos lectures. Okay, now whenever we just create a threads or multiple threads, that time it's a minimize constant switching time. Okay, now next benefit is a multiple thread example printer sharing. Now what about a printer? You know the very well what the exact meaning of a printer sharing. When we just use a printer sharing in a networking, that time particular printer or one printer attached in a one machines, and we just give a printing command from another machines. That time we just get a printout of we just get a printout from where the printer exactly attach a first machines. Okay, that is the exactly concept or that is the exactly situations happens through a multiple threads. Okay, now next one is the shared common data, not need IPC. Here common data means what? Whenever we just create a number of threads in a big programs, that time it's a possible that one thread are just shared to a data to another thread. Okay, means what exactly? Means a share to share, sorry, thread to thread are just a communication or a sharing possible through a data, memory, code, instructions. That things are possible in a that things are possible between a threads in a programs. Okay, now next one is the responsiveness. Next benefit is a responsiveness. Okay, responsiveness means what exactly? Whenever we just create a number of threads in a big programs, that time just some critical situations or occurs. Okay, suppose just as we create a 10 threads in a one programs. Okay, that time it's a possible that particular first two threads are not activated or not executed, but a number third, number fourth threads are executed. That time it's a possible that our programs are executed. Okay, probably our programs are executed at the end. ओके, म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय मला सांगायचं आहे की एक मोठा प्रोग्राम आहे, त्या प्रोग्रामचे मी 10 थ्रेड्स बनवले असतील, म्हणजे 10 पार्ट्स बनवले असतील. ओके, पहिला पार्ट आणि दुसरा पार्ट्स म्हणजे फर्स्ट थ्रेड अँड सेकंड थ्रेड्स आर नॉट एक्झिक्युटेड और समटाइम ब्लॉक्स. ओके, पण बाकीच्या थ्रेडचं एक्झिक्युट होतं ते ना, तर मग तो पूर्ण प्रोग्राम जो आहे तो एक्झिक्युशन होण्याचं थांबणार नाही, तो एक्झिक्युटेड होणारच आहे, कारण की बाकीचे थ्रेड एक्झिक्यूट होत असतील तर. ठीक आहे, दॅट इज एक्झॅक्टली अ मेन बेनिफिट्स apart from all benefits regarding the threads. Okay, now next benefit is a resource sharing. Resource sharing is what? When thread to threads are communication to each other in a program, that time one thread are just a share to a data, instructions, code to another threads for executions. That is exactly a resource sharing. Okay, now next benefit is the economy. Economy means what? Economy is nothing but economy is just like a resource sharing also. Economy means one thread are just share or just provided data instruction to another threads. Means suppose just as if we just create a 10 threads in a one program, that time first thread, second thread are depend on a first thread, third thread depend on a second thread, fourth thread depend on a third thread. Okay, and so on. That time first thread just provide instruction to a provide instructions, data and code to second thread. That time the second threads are executed successfully. Means second thread are just executed through a फर्स्ट थ्रेड म्हणजे जो सेकंड थ्रेड आहे हा एक्झिक्यूट होणार सक्सेसफुली कोणामुळं, फर्स्ट थ्रेडमुळे. कारण की सेकंड थ्रेड हा डिपेंड आहे फर्स्ट थ्रेडवर. असं प्रोसेस चालू असते कंटिन्युअसली एका प्रोग्राममध्ये. जेव्हा हे सक्सेसफुली होत असतं, दॅट सिच्युएशन इज अ इकॉनॉमी. अँड इकॉनॉमी इज नथिंग बट ऑल्सो these थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल इन अ सेम ॲड्रेस स्पेस और सेम address location. That is exactly a economic situation. Now last one is the utilizations of multiprocessor architecture. Utilization of a multiprocessor architecture means what exactly? Whenever, listen carefully, whenever we just create a number of threads in a one machines, okay, that time the another processor or we just another machine we just provide our instructions or data regarding a thread to another machine. That time the another machine also successfully executed. Okay, that things is nothing but just like our networking situations. म्हणजे एक मशीन दुसऱ्या मशीनला काहीतरी इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंड करत असेल, डेटा सेंड करत असेल, तर दुसरी मशीनमध्ये ते इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपण काय करू शकतो, रीड करू शकतो, राईट करू शकतो. ते इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपण प्रॉपरली त्याच्यावर प्रोसेस परफॉर्म करू शकतो. दॅट इज एक्झॅक्टली अ युटिलायझेशन ऑफ मल्टीप्रोसेसर आर्किटेक्चर. म्हणजे दॅट थिंग्स आर हॅपन्स वेन वी जस्ट क्रिएट अ थ्रेड. ओके, अँड धीस थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो पॅरलल प्रोसेसर्स. म्हणजे एका मशीनवर माझं काम चालू आहे, एका मशीनमध्ये माझा प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट होतोय प्रॉपर अँड सक्सेसफुली थ्रू अ नंबर ऑफ थ्रेड्स. आता तेच थ्रेड्स तोच प्रोग्राम मी दुसऱ्या मशीनवर जर मी शेअर केला असेल, तर दुसऱ्या मशीनवर पण काय होणार, तो एक्झिक्यूट होणार प्रॉपर अँड सक्सेसफुली. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय की एकच प्रोग्राम त्याचे रिलेटेड जे काही थ्रेड असतील ते थ्रेड्स त्या सिंगल मशीनवर पण एक्झिक्यूट होतात. ते जर मी ते शेअर केले तर दुसऱ्या मशीनवर पण ते काय होतात आहे, एक्झिक्यूट होतात ते. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे दॅट इज अ नथिंग बट अ मल्टी प्रोसेसर सिस्टीम और मल्टी प्रोसेसर आर्किटेक्चर्स. ओके, नाउ दिस सिच्युएशन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ पॅरलल प्रोसेसर्स. Okay, this is exactly a thread benefits. There is a number of benefits are available, total 10 benefits. These benefits are very important. This is the IMP question for exams.